So this is part 2 of the how to pull a steering wheel series, I guess. The first video I just showed you what you needed tool wise and that sort of stuff. Remember, before you start this whole process, take the nut off of the threaded shaft. You can see I have the puller on. Got my quarter 28s that came with the kit. They feel kind of soft. We're going to see what happens with this kit. I did put a couple of washers under them to help spread the load out a little bit. I just didn't like how those shoulder bolts were sitting on this particular pull. So doing this by hand sometimes uses the impact and it'll rattle it off, but I figured for fun we'll just do it by hand, because it's not as easy as everybody thinks it is. You're not just gonna pull it off with your bare hands. There it went. Just like that. And then oops. Get her out of there. Like I said in the first video, you want to make sure those are threaded in, quite a few, but not bottomed out, because you don't want to wreck the steering wheel hub. Just like that. She's off. Get this guy out. And now that gives you access to your signal switch, your hazard switch, or you can keep going deeper into the column if you have to replace bearings or something like that. We're parting this truck out, so there is no need to go any deeper. So hopefully that was what everyone needed to finish their job, if the first video wasn't explanatory enough.